Here we grow beneath your feet. We feel your presence above. We hear your footsteps. Can you see us growing beneath you? Does it make you wonder? We are mycelium. Our thread-like hyphae search and connect, touching roots, sharing food. We trade what we have for what is needed. Sometimes we grow far beyond what your eyes can see, to create symbiosis, to restore balance. The trees speak through us. So do the flowers, the moss, the rot. In our web, no life stands alone. We cradle decay, nurture growth. We make space for biodiversity to thrive. Without us, the forests would forget how to grow. We support plants from above by passing nutrients from one to another. We store carbon from the air, quietly in the soil. We carry water to thirsty roots and shield plants from disease. You may not see us, but life depends on us, and we ask only to be allowed to keep doing what we do. Stay a while. Let us teach you how to listen, how to see and smell with our eyes. We are more connected than you think. Step gently and let us grow with you.